So chat, this just came in the mail today, and I'm really excited because it's my new PC case. Because PC I got right now is kind of junk. I'm gonna unbox this for you guys today. I'm still waiting on all my other PC parts, so stay tuned for all those videos. Here's the PC case. I was gonna get a white PC case, but like it was also from CORSAIR, but like 4,000 airflow does sound pretty nice. So I just realized there's a little opening on the side. So did that open? I don't think it did. Alright, so I got it out of the box. This stuff, I got it out with the help of no one, because I'm home alone right now. So I have like no good lighting. I broke my ring light in my last house, so I actually made that. I'm literally Steph Curry, bro. Look at the manual right here. What the freak is my thumb orange? So this is the case. It does look a bit dusty. Honestly, that might just be my camera, because I'm using my phone right now. Yeah, so let's get this tape off. Oh, whoa. Really scared to. Let's just peel it off. Ooh. Oh my, even the toilet. There's no way I just said that, bro. I just I'm scared. So I just got it open. Oh my days, dude. This is taking longer than expected. So this is what the inside of the case looks like. It comes with two very nice fans. And what the shit, man? No way, I just said that. I'm gonna actually kid. I don't know how to get that styrofoam thing in there. I genuinely don't know how to get that out. Oh wait, hold on. Wait, I might be onto something. I might be onto something. Yeah! So we got the power button. I don't know what that is, like, since that symbol's on it, maybe it's a restart button. Once I get all my parts, I should be able to start making computer videos. Yeah, those should be coming soon. Oh, that one across the room.